Ross, what do you got going there?
Hey Tommy, I am testing out a new device for a stud finder.
A stud finder? I always carry mine with me right here. You can
tried
always
and
find
true.
a stud, yeah. But I never had good luck with those
That's
other
right,
ones.
that's right. So this one's kind of cool though. It's got a device that works with a smartphone.
Okay.
All right, and the way that the device works is by sending radio signals into the wall.
Radio signal?
Yep, just like a wireless router or a cordless phone, baby monitor.
Baby monitor. You know about a baby monitor.
I sure do. So those radio signals get sent into the wall, and based on the materials in that wall, it's going to absorb or reflect those radio signals differently.
Differently.
So that from that, it can detect what it thinks is in the wall.
Okay, well, let's see it working.
So let me show you here. So if I put it on the wall, and I come across, all right, so it just found a pipe or a wire, and so that actually is the wire that's running from this switch to that receptacle.
Okay.
All right, if I keep coming along, I'm going to hit that wire a couple more times. If I move a little bit faster, though, I'll come across and I'll see there's our pipe.
So there's the copper pipe right there.
That's right. If I keep coming across, then I see our wooden stud.
There's the stud.
Yeah,
well, that's pretty good.
Yeah, it's really cool.
I like the fact that it tells you what it thinks it is.
That's right.
You know, that's good.
So it's priced comparably with other high-end stud finders on the market.
Okay.
But it only works with certain cell phones. It doesn't work with all of them.
All right. And what about plaster and lath? I know that's always tricky.
Yeah, so this device is really designed for drywall and for concrete.
Concrete? It works on concrete?
It works on concrete, yeah.
Well, that's pretty cool.
And they're still working on plaster and lath, but they're not there yet.
Well, plaster and lath, I've always had mine with me.
Tried and true.
Always know where it is. Well, thanks, Ross.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.